In this video, we will see how to find a zodiac sign of a participant with respect to the birth details. In this astrologyfutureeye.com, you will start by entering your birth date, such as date, your month, and the year in which you were born, and then click on the calculate button. The moment you click on the calculate button, it gives you your zodiac sign. We'll fetch that details from the screen and display it to the user in a message box. Let's head back to the UiPath StudioX and let's start building the automation. As usual, since it's a browser activity, we'll use the browser's use application / browser activity. And let's indicate the browser. There you go. Now, let's quickly go ahead and edit the properties. We will make sure that this window opens up in a maximized form. Perfect. Now, we need to go ahead and select the date, the month, and the year. Since it's a drop-down box, you can always go ahead and use the select item activity. The select item activity will make sure that it selects items from the drop-down menu. Let's indicate the very first item, which is the date. Let's wait for anchoring. Now, as you can see here, there are multiple select boxes. To make sure that it selects the date drop-down box perfectly, we'll anchor it to multiple things. Let's anchor it to the birth details, which is just above the top. Maybe we'll anchor it to the sun sign finder. And then if needed, we'll anchor it to the calculate button over here. There you go. Now the target and the anchor are absolutely perfect. We'll go ahead and click on the confirm button. As you can see here, since it's a drop-down box, the moment you click on this downward arrow, it gives access to all the dates available over here. Let's choose a date from here. Let's say we'll go ahead with the date as 28. Now let's drag and drop another select item for the months. Let's indicate the month field over here. There you go. That's the month field. Let's go ahead and let's click on confirm. Let's select the month from here. Let's go ahead and select the month as October. And then finally, let's go ahead and drop another select item activity for the date of year. Let's click on this drop-down menu. There you go. And let's click on the confirm button. Let's quickly go ahead and select a year. In this case, we'll go ahead and select the year as 1990. There you go. Perfect. Now, what we need to go do is click on that calculate button. So let's go ahead and perform a click. There you go. So let's perform a click on the calculate button. Perfect. Let's click on confirm. Awesome. Now, since we need to go ahead and extract the zodiac sign from the web page, so in our Chrome browser, we will go ahead and manually do this part. Let's select the same details, which was October 28, 1990. And let's click on the calculate. Now this will bring to a new page. And in this new page, you will see the details present over here. And there you go. The detail is mentioned over here that your zodiac sign is Scorpio. Now let's go ahead to the studio. And then let's use an activity. The activity name is called as get text. Get text allows you to extract information from the screen. Let's indicate the element. This is our zodiac sign Scorpio. Let's indicate that. Let's anchor it to a field over here. And let's click on confirm. Now, since we are extracting the element, what we'll do is we'll store it in a variable. So we'll click on the plus icon. And when they'll say, let's create a variable. We'll go ahead, delete the name from here. And then we'll give the variable name as zodiac sign. Perfect. Let's click OK. Now, what will happen is the information that you have fetched from the screen will go ahead and will get saved into this variable called like zodiac sign. Now, finally, what we need to do is we'll go ahead and display this zodiac variable into a message box. So we'll drag and drop a message box activity, and then we'll say use this variable called as zodiac sign. This is the one. Yes, we'll use the zodiac sign from here. Perfect. Now, let's go ahead and let's run the automation. Let me close this Chrome browser over here. Perfect. And let's run this automation. So ideally, a Chrome browser with the astrologyfuturei.com should open up. It will go ahead and enter the birth date, the month in which we were born, the year, and then it will click on the calculate button. Once that is done, the zodiac sign details page will open up, and there you go. We'll wait for the page to open up, and then we will see the details. There you go. It will click on the calculate button. Perfect. So here is the zodiac sign Scorpio. Let's also wait. There you go. So we got a message box, and in the message box, we got the symbol, which is zodiac sign Scorpio.